So I wanted to show you guys a tip that I do for the tomatoes here. This is our tomato box here. All right, so this is a really good way to keep your tomatoes up, and you know, they're not going to break. They're not going to break from the wind and the rain, because as you know, when they're heavy and they get water on them, they bend over and can snap. So here's the cure to that. You take, I like to use yarn. It's cheap, and it's really easy on them. So I just prefer yarn. But anyway, you tie it up and you tie it to the plant itself, but you leave slack. Well, let's see if I can. You see that loop there? It's not tight on it. There's a loop. You just loop it, tie the loop above it. Make sure it's not like around it, because it'll mess up, you know, the stem and actually eat into it and grow around it. This way it doesn't actually damage it at all. But as you can see, they got you know, it doesn't hurt it at all, but it keeps them up, and they're, you know, they're not like tight. They're not tight. You know, they can move. They all have like a little bit of slack in them, but it holds the plants up, and it's a really good way to get your tomatoes tons of support without hurting it. And just make sure that, you know, like I said, don't tie it tight to this. Tie a loop around it, and then it can slide up and down still, and then up to whatever you have it up here. And I like it because you can wrap it around and then get two pieces with one string. Like, go to this whole different plant, go up, loop it around, come down to this plant, and then, you know, with the wind and stuff, they're not super tight, so they all can move. And you know, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's a really cool trick, and pretty cool. So thought I'd share that with you guys. I did it to the cherry tomatoes too. They're pretty wild and heavy. These get really long and heavy, so really hard to see through the tomato forest here, but same thing. And then peppers, you're kind of just, you know, on your own. But yeah, thought I'd share that with you guys. And also, if you don't know, the cucumbers and I'll do that in a different video. But all right, see you guys.